Okay, hey guys, what's going on? So, um, today, this is episode 2 for, Mother's Day gift. So, the first one we had a little bit of difficulties, but, so, if you're just coming in for the second video, grab a Sharpie. If you have anything like this, just like a small, thick log like this, you don't have to have that or the legs. This is what I have. So you can use a Sharpie or you could just carve it in. I had trouble carving it in and write mom and grab a picture of yourself and look at the resemblance. And so, yeah, so you're just going to be doing that. Ta-da! Happy Mother's Day gift. There. And so today we are going to be using a glue gun. So a glue gun mini. And so using this because we had trouble with our last one. This should work. I don't know. That's due. And so my grandma let's not plug it in yet. So we are just drawing a small line across and then sticking that in and then drawing another small line across. If that doesn't work, then we're just going to keep it like that because it shouldn't wobble and stuff, okay? So there we go. Now this thing will work at any time. I'm not going to use it yet, so can you please move the picture? Can you please move the picture? So we are just going to be, if this would work,
It might be.
we might have to get another glue gun for this. Yeah, we're going to have to get another glue gun. Okay. I will be right back. Okay, we are back. We fixed the glue gun, and so yeah, we're just going to be drawing a nice thick line. Picture. Grabbing the picture and stick it on. And we're just going to hold it there for a few seconds. And if we have enough glue, we should have enough glue to draw another line. We are going to be putting another line right up here. And you can use this with a stick for glue stick, any of those. But right now we're just going to be using a glue gun. Yep. Okay. There we go. That's right there. And then right now, not big enough, is it? No, it's not.
There you go. There you go. You got it. Careful.
Okay. Now we're just gonna let this sit. We will be right back. Okay. So after that, you can carve it if you want. I think using a marker would be better because carving it, you can't really see it that well. But so you can write your name.
Small.
Yeah, and try to make it small
So it fits.
so it fits.
There you go.
There we go. We are done in today's video. Wait, no, we're not. Wait, yes we are. Okay, so my sister Emmeline will be showing you how to do another one later. So, see you all next time.